Hello everybody. Today we want to talk about one of the most amazing extensions of Visual Code, or I would say of IDEs. So I'm using Visual Code. That's why I said that it's one of the most amazing extensions in Visual Code. So this is Tabnine. If you go on your browser and search for Tabnine, it will give you these results. And Tabnine is an AI code assistant that provides real-time code completions. You can have charts and you can generate code. So let's visit their website and see what they got. So the supported IDEs is Visual Code, all right, Visual Studio Code. And then you can also integrate it in Android Studio, in NeoVim or NeoVim, RubyMine, IntelliJ, AppCode, PHP Storm, WebStorm. You can also integrate it into Visual Studio, Clion. You can integrate it into PyCharm, Eclipse, Golang, and Rider. So these are the supported IDEs for now. Now, if we go to pricing, they have like, I think 3 or 4 versions. They have the Pro version, the Enterprise version, and I think, and the basic one. Yeah, so there are 3 versions with regards to their pricing. So as for Pro version, it's $12 per user per month. And you can have it for free for 90 days, like 3 months free, but you will have to pay after that $12. And then you have the Enterprise, which is per user per month with 1 year commitment. So it's more of like a secure AI powered development platform optimized for your business. It's more of like for a larger organization. So the pricing is $39, and we have the free version. So the free version is, it has got basic features completely for free. So you have the basic AI code completions, AI powered chat using multiple models, and then it also supports all the major IDEs, the ones which we have seen earlier. So how do you install this Tabnine in your IDE? As for me, when you go to Visual Studio Code, if you go to extensions, you type Tabnine, and then you click Tabnine. It's going to show here, and then you are going to install it. But now you will have to log in with your email address. So I've already done that. As you can see, Tabnine, it's already, I've already installed it, because once you have Tabnine, it will open up here a pop-up, and then it's gonna tell you to log in. So you can log in, and then you can log in using your email, registered email, or you can use Gmail as well. So you can set up in your ID through those steps. Now let's look into what it does. If I can close this one, I have a .php file here. It's blank, it has nothing. So I want to connect it to my SQLi. So how do I do that? I can use the manual way, but now since we have Tabnine, we don't need to worry. What we can do is, can you create a MySQLi connection in PHP, and then I hit enter. All right, there we go. So what you can actually do is to either copy or insert. So I'm gonna do insert for now. Here you are. So as you can see, it has generated my code for me. Instead of me writing it, I have just done the simple way by asking my AI, which is Tabnine. So if I save this file and go to localhost, let's say localhost Tabnine, yes, if I hit enter, it will give me an error. Why? Because I haven't done the setup here. So username, it should be root. And then if we go to password, it's blank. And then database name, I will just say, let me see. Which one I should say? Okay, I will say, okay, let's say, okay, BLC DB. Okay, so we are going to connect to this one. Let me copy it. And then I've come here and paste it. So now, if we refresh here, we had a fatal error. So if I refresh here, boom, connected successfully. So you can also maybe edit here, connection is successful. So that you can appreciate. So connection is successful. Now we have connected to our database, and we can remove this. And if we refresh here, it's blank. So now let's create a table to show results in that table. So which table do we need to show? I would say, okay, selling types, selling type here. So this is the table. All right, I will copy it. So now if I ask it to create a table for me, first of all I have to create all right, HTML tags there, and then results, and I save. So now in this body I will cancel this one and then create a table to show results from a database table with columns. So I would say columns selling type, and created that, yeah. So with columns selling type and created at, hit enter. So it's doing it for me. All right, so it has done it for me. Now I have options. It's either to copy this, remove, okay, removing this one. So I will have to okay, this I will copy and then close connection. So I will paste it here. So now if we refresh it, if we refresh it, to be a product. All right, so there are other things which are not existing. So selling type, created that from it should be from, I did not define the table, so that's why the table name was not defined. So I would say from selling type. All right, so if I save and then come here and refresh, you see we have this table. It has created it for us. It's not good looking, but at least we have the results which we are looking for. So Tabnine can do a lot, and if I add the, let's say the created at is null here. So if I can add the current time and punch it, and then we also save this one. If I refresh here, you'll see we have the created at. So this is what Tabnine does. It does a lot. Actually, it does a lot, and it can complete codes for you. Say I want to create, okay, this is all right. So let's say I want to create, if I do this and I do like a connection, so new connection null, you see what is happening? It's completing it for me, you see. So this is what it does. It can complete the codes for you, but based on what you are developing, it just checks on your code and then it can complete other codes for you. So this is just a basic overview of what Tabnine does, and actually it does a lot, right? You can also check here like the way it is and just say fix this code for me. It will check for you, and then it will give you the missing, I would say it did not give because the connection is missing here. So yeah, it does a lot. I would say PHP create a PHP or say PHP hello world. Okay, so you'll just insert it, you save, and then when you refresh here, hello world. Okay, let's say show me current date in PHP. Show me current date in PHP. So if I hit enter, so insert, see, if I refresh here, the current date and time, this. So it does a lot. You can also have like Java Java code snippets. If I say create a Java app for me, right? I'm sorry for any confusion, but I'm an AI code interpreter designed to execute and analyze Python code. I'm unable to create Java applications directly. However, I can help you understand how to create a simple Java application that displays the current date and time. So it has done it for me. Now I will click the insert. So since this is .php, you will not see like the way it's supposed to be. But if you are in Android Studio, you are developing Java applications, you're gonna see what actually Tabnine does. So I think this is it for now. If you want to check out more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel so that you have the updates and more tips on this amazing technology which we are having, the developments, what other people are doing out there, what are the new products on the market. I will show you. Just click the subscribe button. See you next time.